So here's the Gatewood Cape. We've had about 8 hours of snow, and we've left it alone for about the past hour and a half, meaning we haven't taken any of the snow off the sides. We'll get in a minute and we'll take a look at it, but as you can see, it's pretty snowy. Temperature is about 20 degrees outside, so we're gonna have to make some adjustments here on the Gatewood because this snow is heavy. So what we're gonna have to do is just pull this off, get all the excess snow off that we can. Okay, so here the Gatewood Cape is after we've dug it out. And that's what you have to do periodically in weather like this, because it's only held up by one trekking pole, and those walls can get weighted down pretty easily. So let's go inside and see what kind of room we have and see what we have to work with. Now, notice the wind inside the Cape. If you can hear that and you can see that, we're having about 15 to maybe 20 mile an hour, pushing 25 miles an hour at times, gusts of wind. And it holds up just fine. And those gusts actually help to keep some of the snow off the walls, so you have to do less work, but you still have to tap it from time to time during the night. And this snow is going to go on all night long. So, and this is on the East Coast, so this is heavy snow. This is not the aspen powder of the wet. This is the zipper for the main door for the Gatewood. And what's neat about it is the Gatewood Cape has an inside tensioning strap that you can pull here, which tightens this cord that runs down and out and ends up being staked to the ground out there in the snow. So you can tighten everything from the inside, and also you can cinch up the hood from the inside, which is a nice feature. That's what this is right here. You see the little cord lock right there that tightens up the hood. Another nice feature on the Cape. As you can see, there's snow on the wall, so you just periodically have to tap the walls like that to keep the snow off. And I don't know if you can see the temperature or not clearly, but it's about 20 degrees. And we're getting ready to boil some water here, and we'll watch the temperature go up, just the result of that. When we did it this morning, it went up 18 degrees. So also look out, and you can see here the ventilation that we have at the bottom of the Cape. My Badlands pack right here is kind of obstructing the view a bit. But one cool thing about this shelter is, as you're inside lying down, you can look out and see the outside, what's going on. So anyway, let's start with the making of coffee and see what happens. Now, I don't know if Six Moon Designs recommends boiling water in the Gatewood Cape, but I don't have a problem with it because it has a lot of ventilation. Okay, so the water's beginning to boil. I don't know if you can see the steam coming off of that or not, but it's definitely beginning to boil. And we've noticed up here that it's almost 40 degrees in the Cape. You're just not going to be able to see that. But it's about 38 degrees on the thermometer up there. Okay, so let's go ahead and open the door and have a look from inside the Cape out. So I'm going to reach down and unzip the door. Reach over and undo the Velcro. Now, here we are. This is from inside the Cape, looking out around. So you can see the snowy conditions here. And this this design really provides some excellent ventilation and some excellent views. And if it wasn't so snowy, I would sleep with the door open just like this. So you'd have your area here inside the cape, over to there, and back in here where all the sleeping area is, where I am right now. But so you can see that out there. Pretty snowy. Not a real great day to be outside, but it is what it is. So now we'll go ahead and zip up the cape again. Go up here. And it's done. And that was pretty easy. Now here again, we're outside of the Gatewood Cape after it's been dug out and the walls have been cleared of a lot of the weight of the snow. And notice what I have here on the tie-out points, which are also designed to roll the cape up when you're using it as a poncho. I have shock cord that goes out because I knew the snow was coming, so we used the shock cord to extend the walls out a bit just to help give it a little more support. And it's quite effective that way.